What's going on, guys? It's your boy Frankie. So thank you for tuning in. On this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing a kill switch right here, which you guys have seen on the previous video I just did. So I'm going to be installing this kill switch to the headlight. Reason for doing this is if you don't want the headlight to constantly be running every time you turn the bike on. In my case, I'm going to be doing this because I don't plan on riding this bike on main streets or anything, so ride it off-road a lot during the day. When the sun goes down, or if I need extra light, I can turn on the switch, and then the light will go on when I use the switch. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hook everything up. This is a very easy process. Everything is plug and play, so we don't have to cut any wires, do any soldering or anything like that. I did buy a replacement light for this as well. Where did it go? Right here. So this is the light that I'm going to be installing right here. LED. It's wide. It came with its own mounting hardware. However, by looking at this, it looks like I can probably still use the existing hardware for this, so I don't think I'll have to use it, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hook that up. Feels loose at all, then I'll go ahead and take it apart and use the hardware it came with. And if you guys are wondering, this kill switch you can also connect to the stock light as well too, to work that as a kill switch. If you don't want to buy, you don't have to buy the replacement light. This will work for the existing one. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to go on this side. We have our Allen key. We're going to go ahead and take these two off right here. Oh, and let me show you guys first before I go ahead and do this. As you can see, put the key in, turn it on, and automatically the headlight turns on, off, and on. So that's how it works stock out of the box. So we're going to go ahead and take these Allen bolts out. The good thing is the same Allen key that I'm going to be using to remove this right here is also the same Allen key we're going to use to take the headlight out as well. I don't believe I'm going to go as far as showing you exactly how to replace the headlight, because that's already pretty straightforward. If you guys have a Surron, you've already installed the headlight yourself, so you already know how to do it. This is just showing you the wiring, just to show you guys how easy it is. So once we get these two out, this will just pull right out, just like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to follow the wire that's connected to this headlight. So it's back here, this guy, there it is. Got this plastic loom here wrapping 3 components. So this is where the headlight plugs into. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect this. Get that Allen key out of my hand. Make it a little easier on myself. Okay. Alright, this is the one for the headlight, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect that. I hate these connections on anything. Just push the little tab down, pull it out, there we go. So now the headlight's disconnected. So the switch, and I will leave a link in the description for this switch I bought. You guys remember on the last video, this has an on and off, and it's got a USB port. So now you have 2 USB ports, just in case you need an extra one. I mean, I figure why not. So the switch comes with these 2 connections. So this right here, as you can see, this will connect directly to where the existing light went to, right there. You want to push it until it clicks, and then whatever other headlight you're going to connect to is going to connect directly to this. So in this demonstration, we'll go ahead and we can use This is the cable that goes into the stock headlight, so we can plug this in right here just to show you guys how this works. Well, I think I did the wrong thing here. Oops. What did I do? What'd you do, Frank? Yes. So, okay, no, it goes right. So, this right here is going to go where the stock headlight was connected. Just like that. And then this one goes to whatever headlight you want to connect to. This, and we're going to be connecting to the stock headlight right here. Just like that. And now, everything should be good to go. So, let's go ahead and test this out. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the key in. See, now, so now the bike turns on. However, you'll notice the headlight is not on, and it will not turn on until we hit our switch right here, and there we go. On, off, on, off. And that is all there is to it, ladies and gents. So that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this headlight. I'm going to plug in my new one. I'm going to go ahead and wire all these and make sure everything is nice and clean. Tuck it all in. I'm going to put all this together. Put my faceplate back on here, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks after everything is finished. Okay, so the existing hardware, which are these 4 bolts, will not work with this light. So basically what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to keep the existing bracket that's on here that held on the stock light, and what I'm going to do is, so this is the aftermarket light that I got here. So this is the hardware that it came with this bracket. I don't want to use this. I think I could get away without using it. So basically I'm going to grab these nuts. I'm going to put these right there in these spots right there. That's 1. And that's 2, and then these 2 bolts here, I already have one in the supplied Allen key they came with. Just go then, they'll go in right there, and then that should be able to attach the light onto the existing bracket over here too, and nice and tight. So just a heads up if you happen to do this and buy this kit from the link I provide. All right, and there she is, all finished up. Got the faceplate back on. Tried to clean up the wires as much as I could. There's a few more zip ties. See the wire from the switch coming in over there. It's all black, so it all hides in pretty well. And like I was showing you guys before there with the mixing the hardware together, worked just fine. So I went in, and then we hit our switch. Boom, we got light. There we go. Another thing I just noticed too with this switch with the USB, got a little light back here. If we remove that, we put the USB. I thought that was kind of cool. But yeah, it's all done. New custom headlight with kill switch is all installed. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ride safe out there.